Recently, scientists proved that Islam is the only truth. Here is the interesting part. Scientists conducted an experiment where they took 4 flies. The left and right wings for each were separated. Each fly wing, left and right, dipped in a sterile labeled test tube containing 5 milliliters of sterile nutrient broth media. And what they saw after 48 hours was absolutely shocking. The result proved that the left wings contain bacteria and fungal growth or toxins, but the right wings free of any microbe, and it contains the antidote, an antibiotic, 1400 years ago. Where there were no science, labs, or technology to solve many scientific facts, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "If a housefly falls in the drink of any one of you, he should dip it in the drink and take it out, for one of its wings has a disease, and the other has the cure for the disease." Sahih al-Bukhari 3320. You can download the study and read it. Science and data don't lie, but if you choose not to believe, I have no words.